Hola, hello again. This is an instructional video for today's activity. So even when you probably already in, I'm going to start from the very beginning. But you're already in because otherwise you're going to be watching this video. Okay, let's go to the side. I'm going to just pick a random class because I'm going to post this for all the classes. This is our first activity and everybody's going to do the same for the first activity because I want to get to know you. So you click here and you go to your class. Pick 7th grade because I have a B day. And you're going to go here. The first thing you see is the syllabus. And I talk about it in the first video that I gave you. If you click on the syllabus, you're just going to click right here. And it's going to take you to the syllabus that I showed you in the other video. So I won't go over that anymore. And let's go back to the home page. Always go back to the home page, and that's where you're going to find your class plans. So for example, those who are going to be on Monday at school, you're going to be doing this work at school. And if you are not at school because you're going to come Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, but you are a day, you're just going to do this at home. So if we click here, you're going to see that, this is very important that you do every day. You're going to click and you're going to fill your attendance. You need to fill out your attendance sheet every day. Every day. Okay? So I will remind you every day in your class plan. This is the video that I just recorded. And it's right there for you to see. You probably already saw it, I hope. And there is your activity for today. So you're going to watch the video that I'm recording right now. That is going to be right here. Because I'm recording it, so it's still not there. And here's the guide to complete the work. So you're going to click here. So you can see the document that we're going to work on. You're going to download it to your computer. I think that's right. And it's called When I Grow Up. So here is the guide for your work. So it says when I grow up, name, my job, I want to be A. So what do I want to be? And then I'm going to put a picture of whatever. You picture yourself being what you want to be. And then you have, and you do the same with your car, your pet, and then you're going to complete this. Okay, so that's one part. And then the other one is what makes me think, what motivates me to do things. So you're going to download that one too. And here it is. So it has also some things that you need to think about yourself. And then you're going to do the work. Okay, so that's just your guide. Now I'm going to show you what else you need to do. So it says you're going to make a presentation. Oh, now that I see, I didn't put that you need to make a presentation. I will. You're going to make a presentation. Your presentation must have 7 slides for 140 points. And you're going to put the title presentation, name, and I describe how many points every one of the slides is going to, how many points the slides giving you, okay? And if you make it the way that I'm asking to do it, you're going to get 10 more points. And if you turn it on time, you're going to get 10 more points. And here's an example of mine. I'm going to start right there now because I'm going to show you right from now on is the example of how I would like for you to show your presentation. So I'm going to show you my presentation. So this is my presentation. So on my first slide, I have the title of the presentation and my name. And the second one, I have those questions that we saw in the first document. What inspires me, what I dream about, my cause, what I love the most and my favorite thing to do. So I put that spark me love for people. And what I dream about a shelter for teenage moms. Oh, misspelled. My cause is to open the house, and I want to do it in Santa Marta, Colombia. There are many girls there that need that support. What I really like is to admire the ocean. That's in Santa Marta too. And my favorite thing to do is to travel. So in every slide, I'm gonna say what I want to do when I grow. What you gonna say when you grow up? But I already grown up, so I just say in the future. In the future. So I want to be a principal. That's a goal. I want to be in my house. That's my house right there. So I'm gonna be in my house. I like to drive a Jeep. I still want to have my Bella and my Max. Let's see if I can look at that sweet face. So I want to have the, and you can hear in the background, that's Bella right there making a little noise. And if I could change the world, I would promote discipline with love. And that's my presentation. So that is all that you have to do. I'm going to exit the presentation. I'm going to make myself. Once you have that, oh, wait a second. Let's go back there because I forgot one little thing. This right here, share. That's very important. You need to go here. It's gonna look like this. You're gonna click right here. No, sorry, right here, and it gives you the options that anyone at Union County Public School, but we're gonna do anyone with a link. Or Union County Public School, but you need to change from private to that. So I already did it so you can see the presentation. Then click done, and then you copy this URL. When you copy the URL and you go to the assignment right here, and let's see if I can, I don't think this is going to be posted. And let's see. We're going to try. Let's try doing it. This one will be posted. I'm going to do, sorry. So, let's go to student view. So this is what you see, right? So right here, you're going to be the, it doesn't show because it's going to be until, but no, it shows until Tuesday, unfortunately. So let's leave that. But anyway, right here, where you see this green button, there's going to be one that says submit assignment. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to click on that, and it's going to give you space where you're going to paste the URL that you copy from your slideshow, and then just submit it. And I will receive it. So if you have any questions, as usual, please email me. If you don't know how to do something, you can email me, and I'll be glad to help you. And I hope that you find this interesting. I know I'm going to find it very interesting because I'm going to get to know you better. And, well, just let me know if I can help you with anything. I'll see you.